Okay, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I got bow and arrow. Well, I got 6 arrows actually. So I'm wanting to get into archery. I think I want to get into bow hunting, but I'm not sure. So I said, you know what, let's start with a starter bow. So I got a stick bow. Asked for it for my birthday, didn't get it. Figured, between my birthday or Christmas, I'll ask for both of them. And I'll either someone will buy it for me, or I'll use, extra holiday money to purchase it for myself. And my mom got it for me for Christmas. So I've made an arrow before. I was a gun guy. I grew up with guns. So this is all a little bit different. When I was a young boy, my father, no, he did not take me to the city. We watched a movie. I don't remember what this movie is called. I think it had Sinbad in it. And in it, it was like a Western movie. And this old man tells the story. I think it was the old man. Maybe it was Sinbad's character. But I remember hearing this story. And it's clearly a made-up story. He talks about how he fought this grizzly bear. And he jumped on the grizzly bear. And he choked it with one hand. And as he was choking the bear, his eyeballs popped out. And he cut them off with a knife. This is getting graphic. Crazy story, right? But then that left an impression. And so the majority of my life, I've always wanted to kill a grizzly bear, or kill a bear in general, with my bare hands. Now, I qualify bare hands. I figured, okay, they've got like 6-inch, 3-inch, whatever, claws. 10 of them. Claws are like knives, so I can have a knife. I could have a buck knife. And so I always thought that would be the coolest thing. Ironically enough, I actually came across a video of Jason Momoa yesterday in a video doing my exact fantasy. But alas, this is very unlikely that this would ever happen, nor would I really want to be in a situation where I would have to do that. And so I kind of gave up on this dream, and I had no desire. Like I said, I grew up with guns, but target practice, a little bit of hunting, mostly target practice and shooting. I just didn't have a desire to go out and kill a bear with a gun. That didn't seem at all like a fair fight. And then I found out that not only can you go bow hunting, but you can hunt bears with bows. And I was like, okay, that's pretty close. That's still not, I wouldn't say I fought a bear with my bare hands, but that's pretty close. So I decided I might be interested in becoming a bow hunter. Maybe, maybe not. Sorry, that light was too bright in my eyes. Now it's probably too dark. So yeah, I had this idea that maybe I could do this. And so I read a book by Cameron Hanes all about bow hunting. And I like endurance stuff, hard things like no one else does this type things. And the way he does his bow hunting, how he hikes days into the wilderness and has to then pack the animals out. There was something appealing about that to me. And it kind of reunited those two things, that childhood story and the story of Cameron Hanes and his bow hunting, his elite bow hunting, kind of sparked something. I listened to this book back in New York while doing yard work, and I re-listened to it here while doing some 10-mile rucks every morning for a couple of weeks. And it just kind of got me maybe I want to do this. So that's where today's video comes in. Before I invest in a hunting license and tags and all stuff, well, first my wife said before you can even think about hunting a bear with a bow and arrow, you have to be able to hit a bullseye 500 times. Yep. I was like, okay, that's fair enough. And before I decide if I even want to do this, I don't love the idea of actually killing the animal, just because then you have to deal with the animal. I quit fishing after we caught, several times, couldn't catch anything, caught a bunch of fish, and I had to clean them. I was done fishing. Went duck hunting multiple times in all kinds of quiescent. I can't combine the two birds. Quail and pheasant hunting. And then we never got anything. Went duck hunting, got a bunch of ducks. I had to defeather them, and I was done. Didn't go hunting after that. Most it was just target shooter. So I don't even know if this would be something I'd want to do. Just something about going to like Alaska, hunting and killing a grizzly bear with a bow and arrow. I don't know. But who knows? Let's start small, right? Bible says not to despise small beginnings. I got this stick bow off of Amazon for less than $200. Like I said earlier, I put it on my wish list, and I finally got it for Christmas. We'll see if I can even shoot. I did a little bit of archery in like 6th grade. See if my rifle skills translate over to archery, and see if I'm doomed before I ever get started with my goal of killing a bear as close to like barehanded as possible. Yeah, so but I need something to shoot. So first let's go get a target. Show me where to go, son. Like I haven't looked at these 100 times. Okay, probably 14 times. What are you doing? They're over there. They moved them?
I've been in this store for like 20 minutes.
I know.
Yeah. There's these targets.
Oh, they moved them. Oh yeah, those are the ones. This one's only 100.
This one's 120. And
This
it's
is like-
a dice.
Ooh, a dice. But why is it?
So you can roll, and that's how many times you have to put it before you can go inside.
Yeah, these are cool bags too. That's like a giant Bible cover. Okay, so we got this one.
Oh, look, it shows you how it works.
So this is just a...
looking more like big
Target.
No, they have different patterns. They have a baseball one too.
Hey, I didn't see any other big ones.
Oh, and here's just regular targets. Oh, I want this one. Shoot him in that face.
Not to scale, though.
creepy.
Hey, quick. Lily, whose channel is going to hit 200 first? Or no, 500 first, me or Judah? I'm going to be posting 3 times a day.
I'm not doing that. But my videos are going to be cool.
Dad has more influence already.
No.
I'm going to be posting... Mondays will be the workout videos with me and Tristan, like the All Jane workout stuff. Wednesdays will be just me answering like biblical questions and like vlogging Bible topics. And Fridays will be grab bag stuff. So like this, getting the bow and arrow, any just random stuff.
Oh, look at that target.
I'm sorry,
Look
bud.
at that target. Look at that target. Go subscribe to Perks, PERKX.
Little jerk. And then here's these. I'm afraid I shoot my eye out with one of these. Lots of choices now. I'm gonna have to think for a few minutes. You guys can go look at whatever if you want.
Do they have chicks?
No, it's not chick season, but go look at something. I'll be here when you get bored. So many target options.
How good do you think you're going to be at first?
Halfway decent. Can you even carry that thing?
Why?
I'm totally hitting 500 before you. You can't even carry a
This
target.
isn't even heavy, bro.
Then why are you acting like it's heavy, bro? Get out of here with that.
Oh, Dad, they have. Ooh, it's
Yuck.
Oh.
That's disgusting. Terry's.
No, that one's the normal one.
Oh, that's
This one's
orange.
mint.
It's orange. That's dark chocolate though.
Oh, that's not good, but it's mint.
That's disgusting. I like the orange. Grab that. That could be another target. Grab that. That could be another target.
She's just ignoring
Grab that. That could be another target. It has started to snow on me. So let's get this done. All right, step 1. I need to figure out how to string this. I've never done this before. I've only seen it done a couple times on YouTube. So see if I can do it. It's getting windy. Like I said, it's starting to snow. The wind is picking up. That's fun. I'll clean up later, don't worry. So this is the bow. It's Sanlida, I guess. I don't know. So this is my bow. So I got it off of Amazon as a Christmas gift. It was under $200. I don't remember exactly because I didn't actually buy it. I believe it was like, here we go, 60 inch, 35 pounds. So, you know, just a starter bow, nothing crazy. Just to see if I'm even any good at this or if I enjoy it. It was like 150 or 60 bucks, something like that. Just, you know, who knows? Maybe I'm a natural. One good thing is I don't think I'll shoot my eye out with this. We'll see if I can get it strung up though. Okay, double check this. Okay. Think I can figure this out. Sorry for all those of you who actually bow hunt and do archery and you're like, what is he doing? I don't know. That's the problem. I don't know what I'm doing. Right now I'm trying to untangle this string. Oh my gosh, this is, look at this. This is like quite knotted up. Oh, that's supposed to be that way. Okay. All right. Good to know. That doesn't bode well for me. Wait a minute. I don't think that's tight enough. I was able to do that on my own. That's why. There we go. That's the problem. If I do this enough times, I might, you know, start to get closer to what I'm actually supposed to do. There we go. Much closer now. Much closer. Almost there. It's not hard, I'm just nervous. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I have stringed my first bow. Look at that. I strung my first bow. Check it out. We are ready to go. Pretty sweet. Okay. Then we're good to go. Let's put the arrows together. Where's the arrows? I left them in the back. Six arrows. Same brand, 32 inch. Getting excited there. See if I can get a few shots off before snow gets too crazy on me. Starting to come down a bit. All right. Got my arrows done. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and we're gonna shoot this thing. Never done this before, so, well, not since sixth grade. So I'm not gonna get too far away until I get the hang of it. We'll slowly move back. Guys, if you actually do this, don't make fun of me for my form. I don't know what I'm doing. I've said that. That should buy me some grace, right? I've seen Hawkeye in Avengers. Well, I hit the target, barely. See what I can do with my first 6 shots. If I can hit the white target or inside the white target, my first 6 shots, you're gonna like and subscribe. That's the deal. That's the deal. Well, I missed altogether that time, so you're looking pretty safe. I don't even know how to aim. I'm just kind of pointy. I missed 2, and 1 was basically a miss, but did barely stick in the target. Another miss. 2 more shots. If I get this, you better like and subscribe. Hit the target. One more chance to get your subscribe. Like and subscribe. Well, I don't think I'm getting your like or your subscribe. At least I hit the target that time. That was a little bit closer. So I got that last one actually hit the front of the target. This is my first one. Hit like literally in between there. That one got up there. That one finally hit the front. And I got 3 in the dirt, which I'm sure is great for the longevity of my arrows. So there you go. So that was my first 6 shots with my bow. Obviously I've got some practice here, but it is starting to snow. I'm starting to lose feeling in my fingers. I don't think my shots are gonna get much better as I slowly become more numb and can't feel my fingers. So we're going to come back another day, but I'm actually surprised at how easy that was to string. I thought I was gonna struggle with that a little bit. I guess the only video I've watched someone string is the Bomar channel, and he was trying to string a 200-pound bow. This is 35 pounds. So I guess my expectations were set a little off. So with that, if you enjoyed this, I mean, you don't owe me anything at this point, but feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see if I ever hit the target in the future. Till next time, peace out. Oh, also, if you want to help support this channel, which really, if you don't know, if this is your first time you ever watched this video, I'm Pastor Jared. I pastor Calvary Assembly here in Ely, where I am now, and 200 miles that way, approximately, that way. A church called Round Mountain. And if you want to support what we're doing these videos to try to reach the community and get in front of some people that we wouldn't normally get in front of with our normal church services. Love your support. Like, share, subscribe, send this to someone you think you might like it. We do weightlifting, we do theology, we do all kinds of stuff on this channel to try to reach guys in our communities, again, who just aren't going to walk in on a Sunday. My shame. Let's document my shame. I haven't bought the bigger target. There was a better one that was smaller. I didn't want it because it was too small.